In this video, I'm sharing a deckled edge fondant cake decorating technique. This is my carrot cake recipe with lemon cream cheese filling, this is my chocolate ganache recipe, and I'm topping it off with a chocolate buttermilk cake. My top recipes can be found in my book, Wedding Cakes with Lorelei Step by Step, on Amazon. The crumb coat is my easy buttercream recipe, which is at the website. Use a cake icing tip to coat your cakes easily and evenly. Would you like a copy of my top 5 buttercream recipes and your buttercream questions answered? If so, go to my website, Wedding Cakes for You, and download it now. I'll put a link below for you and in the card on the video. Next, roll out a piece of fondant until it's fairly thin. Then, using a pizza cutter or a knife, cut out random wavy shapes. Begin placing them onto your cake. The buttercream will act as a glue. You can use a ball tool and some foam to thin and ruffle the edges as well, like I'm doing here. You may need a little moisture to stick the edges together. This brush is dipped in a small amount of water. You only need a little. Continue adding pieces until the entire cake is covered. For a 6-inch cake, you'll need about 3/4 pound of fondant. For the edging, use a little bit of clear extract or vodka mixed with luster dust. Wedding Cakes For You website books and video provide aspiring bakers with the recipes and steps for building skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and cherished memories. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned because every week I upload a new video, recipe, or a cake decorating technique for you.